In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or turn on the toggle keys on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side, scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. Where it says toggle keys, play a sound when you press caps, num, or scroll lock. Just click inside the oval one time and toggle it to the on position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.